Long before trees dominated the horizon, the world belonged to a different kind of giant. 50-foot-tall fungal towers that looked like something from an alien planet. For millions of years, they were the rulers of the land, but they didn't disappear. They evolved. They realized that true power isn't about physical size, it's about connection. They went underground, building a kingdom beneath our feet. Today, we call this the Wood Wide Web. It is a biological internet that is older than the dinosaurs, more complex than our social networks, and it connects every tree in the forest into a single, thinking organism. This isn't just a metaphor, it is a literal, physical connection. Fungi called mycorrhizae fuse with plant roots to create a global trade network. And make no mistake, this is a capitalist economy. The plants need phosphorus and nitrogen, which they can't mine from the soil alone. The fungi are master miners, but they starve without carbon. So they strike a deal. The fungi trade raw minerals for sugar produced by photosynthesis. The exchange rate is constantly fluctuating based on supply and demand. At the center of this economy are the mother trees, the oldest, largest hubs in the forest. Through the fungal network, these giants can detect struggling saplings hundreds of feet away and pump excess nutrients to them. It looks like charity, but it's actually an investment strategy to keep the ecosystem stable. But don't mistake this connection for peace. The network is also a weapon. When a tree is attacked by insects, it doesn't suffer in silence. It uploads a chemical distress signal into the fungal web. Within hours, neighboring trees, who haven't even been touched yet, begin producing toxic defense chemicals. The fungi act as an early warning system, outpacing the speed of the predators. And then there are the hackers. Some species, like the black walnut, hijack the network to commit sabotage. They release toxic chemicals called juglone into the grid, using the fungal cables to deliver poison directly to the roots of their rivals. It's not just a forest, it's a battlefield. Now humanity is finally trying to log in. NASA is currently studying mycotecture, the science of growing habitats instead of building them. On Mars, we won't bring bricks, we will bring spores. We will feed them Martian dust, and they will grow into radiation-shielded homes stronger than concrete. But the ultimate frontier is computing. Silicon chips are reaching their physical limit. Fungal networks, however, can process information in 3 dimensions. We are standing on the brink of organic computing, where our hard drives don't just store data, they grow, they adapt, and they live. We used to look at the ground and see only dirt. Now we know better. The Earth is not just a rock floating in space, it is a processor, it is wired, it is calculating. This is Synapse Lab. If you want to see the future of science before it happens, hit subscribe and join the network.